Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You must act now. Verify the email and phone on the account so Twitter can send codes. Once done, collect proof, government ID or screenshots that show recent activity, and save them. Next, open the app or a browser, go straight to the locked account prompt or Twitter Help Center form, and choose the I can't access my account or appeal an account lock option. This gets your case into the queue and lets you attach the verification files needed to proceed. Now craft the appeal. Write a brief, factual explanation of what happened and why the lock is incorrect or resolved. Make sure to attach labeled evidence, ID, login screenshots, and any error codes, so reviewers don't chase clarifications. Include context like recent login dates, approximate IP locations if known, and recovery steps you already tried. This reduces back and forth. Once submitted, you'll get an automated receipt. Save that, and monitor your email. After submitting, watch for requests from Twitter and reply quickly. Delayed responses slow the process. If the appeal is denied, don't panic. Read the rejection reason, add the requested evidence, and resubmit or escalate through verified support channels or the platform's safety forms. Once access is restored, make sure to enable two-factor authentication, update email and phone recovery options, and review recent activity. If you still can't recover, one key troubleshooting tip: try a different device and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.